Machines may power industries, but it is engineers who power progress. They are the minds behind precision, efficiency, and automation, transforming raw metal into tools that build nations. From designing machines that shape micro-level components to creating systems that drive entire economies, engineers have always been at the forefront of innovation. Every bridge that connects people, every factory that sustains livelihoods, every breakthrough in healthcare, energy, or mobility carries the imprint of an engineer's vision. As India's leading machine tool brand, we know that every advancement in manufacturing, every leap in productivity, and every improvement in quality of life begins with an engineer's ingenuity. This Engineers Day, we honor the brilliance, discipline, and humanity of engineers, the true architects of a better society and a sustainable future.